her last EP or album, it went certified nobody cared.
It's a queen of mine, perfectly designed. Without even trying, her lips are rising, driving crazy.
Hey you, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ladessa, but since we're fully acquainted now, it's me, LD, and that's what you should call me. If you are new, welcome. If you are one of my regular schmegulas, what it do, boo. So if you would be so kind, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell button. We get to know each other down in the comment section. Please follow me on IG. My handle is right here. But you know, every video has a sponsor, and today's sponsor is Scorpio season. I am a Scorpio. You're like, Scorpio season, it's May. Like, why are we talking about October when Scorpio season starts? Because Lil' Kim is coming out with her memoir on November 2nd, which is during Scorpio season. I'm so excited. I cannot wait. And here's what I don't want to know. I don't want to know that you were in love with Biggie. I don't want to know that you got into a fight with Faith. I don't want to know that you were pregnant and you know what took place there. Why? Because we already know that. What I want to know is who is the doctor? Who is this woman that be doing this? I know this running. That be doing this down to the stage. Who is she? Because I know this, the first lady I met when I was, you know, getting money. I know her, right? Left hand high for you. I know her. I want to know who is this light-skinned Chinese lady. That's all I want to know. And I hope you want to know too. Let's support Lil' Kim. Because her her last EP or album, it went certified nobody cared, including myself. And I'm a Lil' Kim fan. I'm a firm believer. There's no Nicki without Kim. I'm just saying. Don't at me. It just is what it is. But yeah, I'm interested in her memoir, and it comes out November 2nd. So shout out to Lil' Kim and whoever is publishing her book. All right, so why are we here officially is to share with you some of my favorites that I picked up from, I think, the world's favorite affordable brand, Eyes, Lips, and Face, also known as e.l.f. So if you want to see what I purchased, then let's go over to the other side. Okay, so first box here. I think my last video was sponsored by Reading Rainbow. Check out before you check out. So this package that I'm opening right now, I did not fully read and verify that my address was correct. So this package got sent to a business across the street, and the FedEx man just threw it over the gate. I'm just like, okay. But luckily I went on a Saturday and they were open. They gave me my stuff. But I was going to be used. All right, so what's in this bag? I think this is just my eyebrow stuff. This is going to be a quick haul. e.l.f.ing amazing. They really lock it in here, especially for this method, but it's what I think it is. Yeah. This big old box for these little bitty products. So I ordered, this is just all brow stuff, right? Yeah. Yeah, that's it. So I love the e.l.f. brow products. I use the Ultra Precise Brow Pencil in Cool Brown. And then I just do that to kind of lighten, not lighten, but to kind of outline my brows. And then I use their Wow Brow in Deep Brown. And then I top it off. excuse them. And then I top it off with the neutral brown, just so it isn't so dark. It looks cute to me. So that's all that I got. They were having a sale, and I had some points. I'm an icon now on e.l.f. That's how much I shop with them. And I had some points, so I wanted to use it to get these brow products. So that's that. And then I love the e.l.f. skincare. And that's what this box is. So e.l.f. a couple months ago, or even like, I think that might have been like the middle of last year, or late part of last year, they came out with their mint melt collection. And I actually have their lip gloss outlined on my lips. So I got the cooling cleanser. I got another lip gloss. This one is called, this is the Mint Melt Plumping Gloss. And this is in a hint of mint. What is this? Oh, I got some enhancing lash and brow serum. Hopefully my lashes will grow, because I'm always pulling them out whenever I put fake eyelashes on. And then what else did I get? Oh, I got another one of these. The Mint Melt Lip Plumping Gloss. And this one is in chocolate chip. Oh, that's it. Right? Yeah, that's it. Chocolate chip. And then I also got the Mint Cooling Primer. So let's see how this feels. I thought I had got, or ordered rather. I thought I had ordered a moisturizer. You know what? No, the moisturizer was out of stock. But let's see how this primer feels. Let's see if it's like minty and cooly. Okay. Come on, Milk Hydro Grip. e.l.f. be duping. Milk Hydro Grip dupe. Without question. It does have, ooh. It does have a nice minty smell, and it's tacky. We got to do a comparison. One side e.l.f., the other side Milk Hydro Grip. Yeah, definitely a Milk Hydro Grip dupe. Ooh, but look at that. Look at that hydration, right? That looks good. My skin looks good. Oh yeah, it's nice and tacky. It's as tacky as the Jelly Pop, which, you know, I was always touting as an alternative to the Milk Hydro Grip. But, yeah. Okay. Anyway, that's it. I'm out. I'm not talking too much. What does Dame Dash call him? Chatty Patty. So I'm not being a chatty patty. All right, well, I'm going to thank you so much for hanging out with me today. And always remember to pack light, because bag lady, bag man, you and me too gonna hurt our backs. Ugh, dragging all them bags like that. Go forth, order from e.l.f. and slay. I'll see you next time. Bye. Oh, speaking of Little Kim, our sponsor for today, if you watch my video all the way to the end, there's a little clip where the guy says, "Thank you for coming again. We on our royal fam shit, you know, gang, gang, gang." That's from a Little Kim song. So we always celebrate the queen over here. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.
We on our royal fam shit, you heard? Thank you, come again. Gang, gang, gang. Shitting me?